Hello friends, this is Miss Hatcher here. Today we're going to do some quick recognition of place value and how different place values, differ in value. So we're going to see how much each value is worth, and we're going to write this number in standard form, even though it doesn't tell us to do so, because it's good practice. So first of all, I see my place value chart. I have 6 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. That goes up to the hundred thousands place. Then I see that my instruction is to look at it, we just did, and answer the question, how does the value of the 9 in the thousands place, so we're looking here, 9 in the thousands place compared to the value of the 9 to its right? Well, I know to the right, I'm looking at thousands and hundreds, so I have thousands and hundreds, and this is where I'm looking. First, I'm going to write this number out, because it's good practice and because this is written in a chart. So if I bring it down, I have 400 thousands, 6 ten thousands, 9 thousands, and this stops my thousands period, and we separate the thousands and the ones with a comma, 9 hundreds, 6 tens, and 3 ones. So this is that number written in standard form. If I look and I want to find the value of the 9 in the thousands place, so yeah, sure, that's a 9, but what would that turn into? How much is it worth is what it wants to know. And if I take it out from my number, I have 9 right before my comma, so thousands would be 9, comma, and then I would fill the rest in with zeros. So 9,000, this comma, make sure every time you see a comma you think thousand. And then my hundreds place, this is separated from the thousands period. So hundreds, I have a 9, and I'm thinking, 900, so 100 over and over to get to 900 is 9 with 2 zeros. So if I brought it down, it'd be a 9 followed by 2 zeros. So it wants to know, how does this compare to the value of this? Well, I noticed that the hundreds doesn't even go into the thousands period. It's only 3 digits. This is 4 digits. We have to remember, every time we're moving up a place value, we're multiplying by, what do you think? By 10. Because 10 ones makes 110. 10 tens makes 100. So if I'm looking at only these two and starting my thousands, how many hundreds equals 1,000? Well, there we go, 10. So 10 hundreds, if I count 100, 200, 300, 400, all the way up 10 hundreds, that equals 1,000. So 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. Knowing this, I can answer the question, how does the value of the 9 in the thousands place compare to the value to its right? Well, 9,000 is greater than 900, so we found the values, and this is because 9,000 is 10 times more than 900. So first we recognize that 9,000 is the bigger value. Of course, there's more digits, and 9,000 is 10 times more. And anytime you multiply by 10, you're adding a 0 to the end. So if I said 900 times 10, to get back to the thousands, adding a 10 just means adding a 0. So my answer would be the 9 in the thousands place is greater than the 9 to its right when multiplied by 10.